Hi, I'm Rhonda with the Stitch and Time Embroidery Designs, and today we're going to talk about how to make an interchangeable burlap wreath like the one hanging above me using our little felties in the hoop felties that we make and sell on our website, where you can change the decorations on your wreath in and out within just a few minutes, and you only have to have one wreath and not 12 wreaths for all the months of the year. Easier to store. You just leave your wreath hanging up, only take it down when you need to swap out the decorations on it really quickly. So let's get started. I'm going to change the angle of the camera and we'll show you how we do this. Okay, we're starting out with this burlap wreath that I made. I do have a YouTube video walking you through step by step how to make one of these burlap wreaths. I used, if I remember right, 4 or 5 rolls of burlap that I picked up at Hobby Lobby or Joann's. I think Michael's has them too. It's not wired. It's just like a burlap ribbon on a roll. It's pretty easy to make. You can check out the video and make one step by step. You just need one wreath, and you can use it for any season, any holiday, whatever you make in the hoop designs to fit. And we have lots and lots of in the hoop designs on our website that will work on these wreaths. Today we're going to go from Thanksgiving to Christmas, and I pulled out a few designs that would go great for a Thanksgiving wreath. So what we're going to do is just kind of lay them on the wreath where we think they look the best, and everybody's different. So you can put yours all the way around if you want. I kind of like mine on the left-hand side of the wreath. That's just how I prefer it. And you just play around with them and get them in a position that you'd like, that appeals to you. And then all of these in the hoop designs have craft clips glued to the back of them with just some fabric glue. And you're just going to take them and pull up a loop in the wreath, and about halfway down, you're going to clip it. You don't want to clip it all the way to the end, because then it's going to be a little floppy on here. It makes it a little bit more secure if you clip them about halfway down the loops. So see how nice that is on there? If you could feel it, it feels nice and tight. We're going to put the little turkey here. We're going to grab the loop about halfway down and pin him on there. Same with this pumpkin and this other pumpkin. These are just made out of fabric and felt. And one more. And it's hard to reach over there, but we have it. Okay, so there it is. Just that quick and easy. I have a really cute Thanksgiving wreath. You just pull them right off. Easy to take off. I have them stored in these plastic bins that I found at Dollar General. They fit perfectly. The plastic bins are only about 2 or 3 inches high, and I don't know, about that big. And I can fit lots and lots of Thanksgiving in one, Christmas designs in another. I have lots of them for each season and each holiday, and it works great for storing all of these in the hoop designs. So there was Thanksgiving, and I want to show you how easy it is to switch out to Christmas. For Christmas, I'm going to use these cute little tiny Christmas bulb in the hoop designs, and I have craft clips glued on the back of this. And the instructions for this design show you to make them where you make one and include this string in it, and then you make the next one, and this one's kind of hanging off of your hoop because you're going to stitch these little strings in there at the same time. So the instructions do include how to do these on a string like this. This string, this twisted string, I thought made a really cute wire for my lights here. And I picked that up at Hobby Lobby, also in the Christmas aisle. It wasn't in the sewing stuff, it was in the Christmas aisle. So I'm just going to place them around the wreath, just like the other one. Just, putting them really quickly. You can take your time with this. I'm just trying to make a quick video. So just going to place them down where I think they might look right. And then maybe use this gingerbread house. And all I'm going to do is clip everything just like the we did with the pumpkins. Just bind halfway down in one of these things and clip it securely onto the wreath loops, on the loops of this burlap. That's about it, guys. I mean, this is so quick and easy to do. Kids can do it. You can give them a big box of In the Hoop designs and let them have fun decorating your wreath. You could redecorate this every day. And if one does like that, doesn't fall right, just simply unclip it and clip it somewhere else where it does. You're not going to... I have clipped and unclipped this burlap wreath so many times and it still looks fine. How quick and easy is that? And I have so many Christmas designs that you could put on a wreath. I have these little Christmas trees. I have Santa. You can do 3 little reindeers and put one with a red nose. There's so many different things. I even have these little Santa's Workshop signs in 3 different sizes that you can put a loop in. String on like that to hang them, or you can just do them without, like the other one we had for Thanksgiving, and skip the string and put clips on the back and put it on the wreath too. So you see that? You can do whatever you want, however you want, and change it out lots and lots of times. So hope this helped you learn how to make one of our interchangeable burlap wreaths. You can find all these designs at astitchintimedesigns.com. Thanks.